Hi there. Welcome to CreateBank Affiliate Website Builder. Now, I am going to walk you through some easy steps of how to successfully use the app and start earning money. Step 1. Create your website. You can get a quick start by clicking Build a Site on the main dashboard. Or, go to the Manage Websites section. You will see a drop-down menu to build and manage your websites. Click Website Lists. All the created websites will be listed here, making it easy for you to observe and edit at your disposal. To add a new website, simply click Add Website. Now, you just need to complete the details of the settings on this page. Let's get to each field. There are 2 website types you can choose. If you choose the first option, you just need to enter the website name you want. This option doesn't require you to buy a domain or hosting, as well as any extra configuration. If you already have your domain, you can go for custom domain name and insert your website domain. After deciding on the website name, choose the template you want for your website design. There are 5 done for you templates. You can preview each by clicking here right below. Next, upload your website logo with a recommended size. Enter your business contact email and write a short description of your website. And the next 2 fields, News API key and ClickBank ID, are important. The News API key is used to fetch different content related to your website niche. Click the link below the file to get your News API key and enter it into the provided field. Then, enter your ClickBank ID in the last field. In case you haven't got an account, we have placed a sign-up link, so that you can register one for completely free. Move to the right column of Website Footer Setting. This section allows you to provide your business social network profiles. And this information will be displayed at the end of your website. Now we move to step 2, create content. Before getting content automatically created, add some categories, so that the visitors can easily find the topic that they are interested in on your site. You can get content in 4 different ways. Your content source, the done for you content, or search content with a keyword. Take a look at the list of the content we have already created for you. Simply browse and choose the niche. Advertising, business, beauty, cooking, fitness, fashion, and a whole lot more. Otherwise, enter a relevant keyword here, and let CreateBank do the rest. Want video content on your site? CreateBank gets you covered. Similarly, simply enter the keyword here, and our app will go find and publish content for your site. Do you want to see the magic? Hit the refresh button, and you'll see CreateBank has turned a blank website at first into a stunning, professional, and informative website. Especially, CreateBank automatically loads the hot offers from ClickBank, so that you can earn commissions passively, without manually doing anything from your end. Step 3, make money from the website. Besides the ClickBank offers featured on the website that I have just mentioned, there are other ways you can benefit from this website. Let me introduce the Inline Keyword and Ads Manager. Specifically, the inline keyword allows you to add a link to a certain keyword. You can place an affiliate link, a sponsored link, or one that leads to another article on your website. Ads Manager allows you to add advertisement banners on your site. Simply upload the banner design and insert your target URL. That's how easily you can build affiliate websites with CreateBank. Again, you will never struggle with content, design, or advertise products. Just save your previous time to build even more websites and grow your affiliate business. Thank you for watching.